Welcome grade 3. Today we are in the 32nd math class. We're still in unit 8, length, mass and capacity. The value of our month is resilience. Resilience means that you shouldn't give up. You should keep trying. Even you didn't succeed, you should keep trying. By trying and practicing more, everything hard will become easier. If you remember, when we were studying the fraction, at the beginning it was difficult, but at the end of the unit of fractions, we discovered that it is very easy, especially when Ms. Sarah is asking us for equivalent fraction. It just means to multiply up and down or divide up and down by the same number. And also, fraction becomes more easier for you when we practice a lot. Also, Unit 8, the length, mass and capacity and converting between the different measuring units will become easier as long as we keep practicing. So the objective for our today's lesson, students will be able to solve word problems about different measuring units. So I would like you to open your workbook page 64, then we will go to 65. Okay, on page 64, we need to read together. Solve the word problems below. For some of the problems, you will have to convert between units to solve them. For example, you may need to change all lengths to meters before you can add them together. Okay, in this note, he wants us to remember that we can't add meters plus kilometers. We can add meters together and we can add kilometers together. We cannot add grams with kilograms. We can add grams together and we can add kilograms together. We cannot add liters plus milliliters, but we can add liters all together and we can add milliliters all together. So let us see how we're gonna do it in the next example. Example number 1. 4 friends take it in turns to run. It means the first friend will run a distance, then he will stop, and the second friend will complete another distance, then he will stop, and the third friend will complete another distance and he will stop. So this is called they will take it in turns. So one runs 400 meters. The next runs 500 meters. The next runs another 500 meters. And the final friend runs 600 meters. How far do they run all together? Okay, since grade 1, you know that all together means plus. But before making plus, we should make sure that the numbers given to us are in the same measuring unit. Here, the first number is 400 in meters. Okay, the next number 500 in meters. The other number 500 in meters. The last number 600 in meters. So all together, can we make plus between these numbers? Yes, because they are given in the same measuring unit, meters. Also, he is telling you, write the answer in meters. It's easy for us. We can just add them together. And then in kilometers. So let us start by the first part of the question. How far do they run all together? 400 plus 500 plus 500 plus 600 equals, okay, 500 and 500 together, they can make 1000. And 400 with the 600 makes 1000. So now we end up with 2000 meters. And we use the mental math to solve it. Okay, now we finish the first part of our question. We find that the distance they ran all together is 2000 meters. But he asked us also to convert the answer from meter 2 kilometers. You know that 1,000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So our answer is 2,000 meters. So how many kilometers? Yes, 2,000 meters equals to 2 kilometers. Easy? Let's go to the next question. Number 2. I work in a parcel office. I weigh 3 parcels. One weighs 500 grams. The next 1.5 kilogram or 1.5 kilogram. This 0.5, it means half kilogram. So the next parcel weighs 1.5 kilogram. And the final one, 2 kilogram. How much do they weigh in total? Miss Sarah, we know that total means plus. But excuse me, we need to check the numbers given in the question. The first parcel is 500 gram. The next one, 1.5 or 1.5 kilogram. The last one is 2 kilogram. So, can we make plus between the 3 weights or the 3 numbers we have here in our question? No, because the first number in grams, the second in kilogram, the third in kilogram. So if I want to make plus between them, because the question is asking me how much do they weigh in total or all together, I should convert them to be in the same measuring unit. Here in kilogram, but here in gram. So can you convert the kilogram into grams? Yes. You know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And of course, half of the kilogram, it will be half of this 1,000. So it will be 500. So 1.5 kilogram, can you make it in grams? Yes. 1,000, the 1 kilogram, plus the 500 grams for the half kilogram. Together, they make 1,500 grams. So now I have the 1.5 kilogram in grams. Okay, let's go to the other one. 2 kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 2 kilograms, 2,000 grams. So now you have all the numbers in the same measuring unit. 2,000 gram, 1,500 gram, and 500 grams. So can you add them together now? Yes, since they are in the same measuring unit, I can add them. So 2,000 plus 1,500 plus 500. Okay, 1,500 and another 500, together they are 2,000. And I have 2,000 here, so they are 4,000 grams. But also, in the question, give the answer in grams, as we did here, 4,000 grams, and in kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. So 4,000 grams, how many kilogram? 4 kilogram. So I think it is easy for you to do it. Question 3. I drink 4 glasses of juice in a day. Each glass contains 200 milli of juice. How much juice do I drink all together? Miss Sarah, we know that total or all together, it means plus. And we can make plus between the same measuring unit. Okay, let us see. This cup has 200 milli of juice. The other one, 200 milli. The third one, 200 milli. The last cup, 200 milliliter of juice. So the numbers are in the same measuring unit, so it is easy for us. We can make just plus between them. 200 and 200, 400. And another 200, 600. Another 200, 800 milliliter. So my question for the smart students, 800 milliliter greater than or less than 1 liter? I can hear you. Less than 1 liter, because 1,000 milliliter make the 1 liter. But here I have only 800 milliliter. I haven't reached yet the liter. Let's go to the next page, 65. I know this page was not mentioned in your weekly plan, but I choose to practice it with you to make it more easy for you to understand the word problems. Now write your own word problems. Ask an adult to solve your problems and make sure you both got the same answer for each one. Write word problems using the following facts. Number 1, a small book is 15 centimeters long. An iPad is 25 centimeters long. A large book is 30 centimeters long. Okay, you can notice that all the numbers are given in the same measuring unit. Yes, all the number in centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So, of course, you can use your ruler to measure it. Yes, yes. Okay, so what would be the question for this? I can ask you, what would be the length of a line made by the 2 books and the iPad if you put them together as a line? What do you think the length of this line that is made of the 2 books and the iPad together? I think to know the total length of this line, it will be to make plus between them. Especially they are in the same measuring unit, so you will just make plus without any converting. So the length of the line equals 15 plus 25 plus 30 equals 65 centimeter. So once you are adding all the numbers in centimeter, your answer should be in the same measuring unit, centimeter. Number 2, a can of fizzy drink contains 300 milliliter. A box of fruit juice contains 500 milliliter. A carton of milk contains 1 liter. So what will be the question we will make here? Arrange the 3 containers in order from the smallest capacity to the largest capacity. So what will be the first container? It should be the smallest one in capacity. So first, can of fizzy drink, because it is just 300 milliliter. Second, box of fruit juice, because it is 500 milliliter. The last one is the largest one in capacity, carton of milk. It is 1 liter, and 1 liter, it means 1000 milliliter. Let's go to question number 3. A punnet of strawberries weight 200 grams. A box of cherries weighs 100 grams. A box of apples weighs 500 grams. So what is the question we would ask here? What would be the total weight of the 3 containers? Okay, total means plus. All the numbers are given in the same measuring unit? Yes, here 200 grams and here 100 grams. And the last one 500 grams. So we don't have to convert anything. Just make plus. The total weight equals 200 plus 100 plus 500 equals 800 grams. Now my question for the smartest one. Is 800 grams less than or greater than the 1 kilogram? Oh, Miss Sarah, we know that the 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. But here we have only 800 grams. So the 800 grams, yes, less than the 1 kilogram. Thank you, grade 3, for joining me today in the lesson. I hope you enjoyed, and please be ready for tomorrow. We are going to revise the fraction because we will have on Thursday assessment as a game, okay? You will enter to a game asking you questions about fraction, okay? And I wish that all of you will have a high scores in the game. So thank you for watching our video. Bye-bye.